Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. My name is Preston Judd. I am running for State House District 2 here in Northwest Florida. That district includes downtown Pensacola and some surrounding areas. Today's topic, I'm going to go into property insurance, how it's changed when I had a roof ripped off in 2019, I believe, and I had to pay a deductible, which was $500 at the time, to get the roof replaced, which averaged around $10,000 to $12,000. Thankfully, I had insurance. Thankfully, it saved me. I was able to get a new roof. Now, looking at today's rates, to get insurance this year, I ended up paying $3,500. That was the cheapest annual payment that I could find in this area. And then the deductible went from $500 up to $16,000 within a span of, I believe, 4 years. Absolutely gouging the consumer, in my opinion. We'll delve into some of the reasons why insurance prices are going up, making it hard to survive here in Northwest Florida and own a home. How these insurance companies want you to think that, yes, the hurricane's taken all the funds. Yes, it's too expensive to fund insurance in Florida. If you pull back the curtain, some excess insurance funds are funneled out of state via other companies to investors and other interests. The Honorable State Senator Don Geitz, he explained this to me, and I kind of said, hold on, let's go verify that. Whenever I hear something like that, I want to go do a deep dive on it and make sure that I understand the whole issue fully. And that is a part of the insurance racket here in Florida. It's driving our costs up. It's paying the investors off of funds that are funneled out of state. To me, that is wrong. Something needs to be done legislatively. Something needs to be proposed to either cap it at a percentage and keep what is earned in state, and actually fund lowering insurance prices instead of feeding it out in shell companies to investors. That is completely wrong in my book. We have a lack of competition in Florida, a type of monopoly, so to speak. There are not enough insurance companies here. They are scared to insure, allegedly, in Florida because of the high payouts. We need to maximize and spread load this. With competition, it should begin to drive down the insurance prices. Just like we saw with auto insurance, they are dropping the prices and giving some rebates. That needs to happen with homeowners insurance now. We need relief now on homeowners insurance, just like the property tax. As we saw in other states, other types of insurance, they're doing the same thing, funneling the funds out to special interests through shell companies and paying their investors or other businesses. Fire insurance out in California, earthquake insurance, I'm sure, taking funds that should be utilized, in my opinion, for the hard working people that are paying these insurance premiums and use it to benefit them to lower their monthly payments. A lot of these insurance policies, homeowners are forced into them because of their mortgage. Unless you own your house outright, you are required to get insurance to cover the lender. There's not an option for all these home buyers, and it is causing the market to be flooded with homes for sale and all these high insurance rates and property taxes that folks, even myself, I'm second guessing whether I want to even buy and own a house anymore. This is a tall order and a big ask, but I'm going to put it out there. We are stuck with the infrastructure we have as far as the home that we live in and the way your roof is built currently. I believe we need to improve the roofs, especially in hurricane-prone states. We are stuck with the products that we've been using for years and years. We need to innovate the building practices. It might be expensive on the front end, but long-term planning, just like some of these houses that are being built close to the coast, they're all stilted up. That is planning. We need to do that with our building methods here on the Gulf Coast. Beef up our roofs, make them a little bit stronger. I know that's a tall ask, but that is an innovation that needs to happen within the U.S. Right now, we are stuck with products that are on the market, have been on the market for years. They're entrenched, and it's hard to change for good. When you have to adjust your quality of life, and perhaps even what you eat, or how you live your life, or where you go to have fun because of your property insurance, property taxes, auto insurance, all these bills that are just yanking money, leaving you with no quality of life, in my opinion. I feel it. I live here with you. I'm right alongside you. We need more voices to speak up and begin saying, this is enough. We are taxed up to our eyeballs and we're barely treading water here. Property tax, in my opinion, needs to go away. We don't want to see it driving up the prices of homes. We need to be innovative with these things. I believe the property insurance issue is fixable. It's going to take some work from the governor's desk as well as from the House and the Senate to create change. Let's think about why these funds are leaving the state and being funneled out when they should remain here to benefit me and you. To me, that is an absolute shame that these funds do not remain behind and create a rainy day fund. You know, these insurance companies, they do have to pay their investors. I get that. Let's do a percentage. Let's think about it innovatively. It's hurting the folks here in Florida. Talking about property insurance rates and how they have skyrocketed in the last 5 years. We want to try to drive those back down along with the auto insurance, which already started to drop. I am running for State House District 2. I would appreciate your vote. Please follow and like. The way you can help me the most is share this. These are some things that not everyone knows about with the property insurance issue of the people, with the people, for the people, our West Florida. Let's take it back. I'll see you next week.